A Malaysia Airlines flight with 239 people on board, including 4 Americans, has gone missing.
What is the new discovery regarding Malaysian Flight 370? A new discovery regarding Malaysian Flight 370 has been made, raising hopes of uncovering the truth behind one of the most perplexing aviation mysteries of all time. The discovery involves debris from the plane that was found in a remote area. This debris is believed to have washed up on the shore of an island in the Indian Ocean and was discovered by a local resident. The location of the debris is significant, as it is consistent with the path that the plane would have taken if it had crashed into the ocean. What are the possible explanations for the disappearance of Malaysian Flight 370? The analysis of debris from Malaysian Flight 370 has revealed intriguing information that may provide insights into the plane's mysterious disappearance. Scientists have examined barnacles on the debris and believe they could offer vital clues about the aircraft's final moments. By scrutinizing the type and distribution of these barnacles, researchers aim to approximate the debris location and the duration it spent in the ocean. The implications of this discovery are significant. If scientists can pinpoint the location and duration of the debris's journey, it may lead to a narrower search area for the plane's wreckage. This, in turn, could increase the chances of locating the plane's black boxes, which hold critical data that could potentially unravel the mystery of Malaysian Flight 370. It's essential to recognize that this discovery is just one part of a complex puzzle, and there's still substantial work ahead to uncover the full truth about this tragic event. The disappearance of Malaysian Flight 370, which occurred on March 8, 2014, remains one of the most perplexing mysteries in aviation history. Despite extensive research efforts, neither the plane wreckage nor the remains of the 239 passengers and crew on board were found. Several possible explanations have been put forth to account for the plane's disappearance, including mechanical failure or malfunction as one of the leading theories. In this scenario, it's theorized that a technical issue with the plane's equipment or structure might have caused it to crash into the ocean, resulting in its disappearance. Another plausible explanation for the plane's disappearance is attributed to pilot error or sabotage. This theory suggests that one of the pilots deliberately causes the plane to crash, potentially for personal reasons or as an act of terrorism. Indications have emerged that the plane deviated from its planned course, making a westward turn over the Malay Peninsula. However, it remains unclear whether this was intentional or the result of other factors, such as mechanical failure. The third potential explanation revolves around terrorism or hijacking as the cause of Malaysian Flight 370's disappearance. There has been speculation that the plane may have vanished as a result of a remote hijacking by terrorists. This theory finds some support in the fact that the plane's communication systems were intentionally turned off, a pattern consistent with previous terrorist incidents. Nevertheless, it's vital to stress that no concrete evidence substantiates this theory, and it remains a subject of speculation. The study of barnacles in the debris from Malaysian Flight 370 holds promise for shedding light on the plane's fate. While this discovery presents exciting possibilities, it is just one aspect of the broader investigation into the mysterious disappearance. The search for answers and closure for the families of those on board continues to be a complex and challenging endeavor, requiring the meticulous consideration of various potential explanations, including mechanical failure, pilot-related factors, and the unsettling possibility of terrorism. The ultimate resolution of this enigmatic case remains a vital objective for aviation authorities and the broader international community. A recent discovery regarding the disappearance of Malaysian Flight 370 has raised important questions and possible implications. Scientists have identified an unknown geological formation on the ocean floor that may serve as the plane's final resting place. This finding carries significant consequences for search and rescue operations, as it allows for a more precise focus in search efforts. By narrowing down the search area, search and rescue teams may increase their chances of locating the plane's wreckage more quickly and efficiently, which could be vital in future emergencies. Beyond its impact on search and rescue operations, the discovery of this geological formation may offer a sense of closure to the families and loved ones of the passengers and crew who lost their lives in this tragic event. For years, the absence of definitive evidence and lingering questions regarding the disappearance of Flight 370 have left many grieving families without the closure they desperately seek. If it turns out that the wreckage of the plane is indeed located within this newly discovered geological formation, it could provide long-awaited answers and solace for these affected families. This geological discovery has the potential to lead to changes in aviation safety protocols. The unexplained vanishing of Flight 370 has already prompted significant alterations in the aviation industry, including the implementation of increased tracking and communication requirements for commercial aircraft. Should the wreckage be found within this newly identified geological formation, it may further motivate adjustments to enhance aviation safety and reduce the likelihood of similar tragedies occurring in the future. This new discovery about the disappearance of Malaysian Flight 370 carries substantial implications, ranging from improving search and rescue efforts to offering closure to grieving families and prompting advancements in aviation safety protocols. According to recent reports, this debris was found in a distant part of the Indian Ocean, far removed from the original search area. Scientists employed a new methodology to retrieve this debris, one that focused on a more precise determination of its location. This method involved a detailed analysis of ocean currents and wind patterns to pinpoint the most likely location of the debris. The discovery of debris in this remote area raises questions about how the plane could have ended up so far from the original search zone. The analysis of this debris plays a crucial role in both identifying the plane and unraveling the mystery of what transpired. Barnacles found on the debris are a particular focus, as they may hold the key to understanding the plane's journey. This information can provide significant insights into the plane's trajectory and the potential location of the crash. Additionally, other characteristics of the debris, such as serial numbers and manufacturer markings, can be employed to confirm the plane's identity. This confirmation hinges on comprehensive forensic analysis, which encompasses DNA testing and metallurgical examinations. While this process can be time-consuming, it is vital to ensure that any conclusions drawn about the plane's fate are accurate and firmly rooted in solid evidence. Once the connection is verified, it may yield valuable information about the plane's fate, including whether it crashed or was intentionally diverted. The importance of this discovery extends beyond mere curiosity. It offers a glimpse of hope, a potential breakthrough that could finally shed light on what transpired with Malaysian Flight 370. In an emotionally charged and perplexing situation, the discovery of this debris in a remote area is a glimmer of hope that carries profound significance for all involved. In an endeavor to glean insights into the plane's fate, investigators turned their attention to debris that had washed up on the shores of the Indian Ocean in the years that followed. This meticulous examination of debris has proven invaluable in piecing together the potential causes of the crash. Through the scrutiny of this debris, investigators have uncovered damage and impact patterns that strongly suggest the plane collided with the ocean at considerable speed. Furthermore, the debris unveiled evidence indicating a catastrophic failure, with portions of the aircraft displaying signs of fire and extreme heat. These revelations have prompted investigators to consider a spectrum of possible causes for the crash, encompassing mechanical failure, pilot error, and deliberate actions. Malaysian Flight 370 carries significant implications for search and rescue efforts within the aviation industry. The revelation of the plane's wreckage offers crucial information about the crash's location, which can greatly enhance future search and rescue missions. This finding accentuates the importance of persistent endeavors to locate missing aircraft and highlights the need for enhanced technology and protocols to facilitate such endeavors. Equipped with this newfound knowledge, aviation authorities can update their search and rescue strategies to respond to future incidents, potentially saving lives in the process. In addition, the aviation industry must remain committed to prioritizing safety protocols and offering comprehensive training programs for pilots and crew members. Investing in these areas will enable the industry to reduce the risk of accidents and enhance overall safety for both passengers and crew members. The investigation into the cause of the crash can yield valuable insights into potential safety risks and vulnerabilities within the aviation industry. Through the analysis of data and evidence obtained from the wreckage, aviation authorities can pinpoint areas that requires improvement and implement changes to forestall occurrences of similar incidents in the future. This discovery emphasizes the continued necessity for collaboration and information sharing among aviation authorities, airlines, and other stakeholders to ensure the safety and security of air travel. By joining forces and staying vigilant, the aviation industry can strive to prevent future tragedies and further enhance the safety of air travel for all passengers and crew members. The discovery related to Malaysian Flight 370 has brought forth a fresh wave of emotions for the families and loved ones of the passengers and crew members. The most profound implications of this discovery revolve around closure and grief. For families, the possibility of finally knowing what happened to their loved ones can offer a semblance of closure. It's a chance to find some peace and comfort amid the long-standing uncertainty. The families are now in a state of anticipation, hoping for more information about the discovery that might bring them solace during this emotional journey. Additionally, this discovery carries the potential for changes in the support and resources offered to families affected by air disasters. Airlines and governments might take a closer look at their existing policies and procedures for assisting such families. This could result in families receiving enhanced support and resources, including access to counseling services, financial assistance, and legal guidance. The discovery may even prompt the development of new protocols and guidelines for airlines and governments to adhere to in the unfortunate event of a similar disaster. These changes aim to aid families in coping with the aftermath of such traumatic events and ensure they have the necessary resources to move forward. Furthermore, the discovery of Malaysian Flight 370 could have legal ramifications for both airlines and governments. The investigation into the flight's disappearance has spanned several years, and this new discovery may provide additional evidence that could lead to legal action. Families of the passengers and crew members may choose to pursue legal action against the airline or government, potentially for issues related to negligence or misconduct. This development might also usher in changes in regulations and laws pertaining to air travel safety and security. The objective would be to prevent such incidents from occurring in the future and to establish a robust legal framework for addressing complex cases. The search for the missing plane was a multinational effort involving several countries and organizations. This highlighted the vital role of communication and coordination in addressing such complex situations. The new discovery emphasized the need for ongoing enhancements in search and rescue capabilities. This includes leveraging advanced technology and bolstering international cooperation. Furthermore, the political implications of this new discovery are considerable, particularly for the countries directly involved in the search for the missing plane. The new discovery may potentially intensify these tensions, thereby risking diplomatic relations among the nations involved. It is of paramount importance that all parties concerned approach the situation with the utmost transparency, cooperation, and a shared commitment to finding the truth. This approach can help mitigate any potential diplomatic strains and ensure that the search for answers remains a collaborative effort. In addition to international relations, the ramifications of this new discovery extend to the global aviation industry and air travel. The revelation of this discovery may prompt increased scrutiny and regulation of the industry. This, in turn, could have implications for the cost and convenience of air travel. It is essential for the aviation industry to proactively address these concerns. This can be achieved by investing in new safety measures and cutting-edge technologies to enhance the overall safety and security of air travel. Such endeavors will prove beneficial for both the industry and the traveling public, restoring trust in air travel and diminishing the risk of similar incidents occurring in the future. In conclusion, the new discovery of debris from Malaysian Flight 370 has changed the course of the investigation and provided new information for aviation safety. The location and retrieval of the debris, along with its analysis, has confirmed the connection to the missing flight. The potential causes of the crash have been examined, and the implications for aviation safety and international relations have been discussed. The discovery has provided closure for families and loved ones, as well as potential legal implications for airlines and governments. The implications of this discovery will have a lasting impact on the aviation industry and future investigations. Hope you liked the video then. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel.